Ever asked yourself, what makes Korean cuisine so unique and widely loved? Well, let's unravel this culinary mystery together. Korean cuisine, an exquisite tapestry woven over centuries, is a vibrant blend of history, culture, and a love for hearty meals. It's a cuisine that celebrates the variety of flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques that are as diverse as Korea's landscape itself. From the spicy kick of chili peppers to the comforting warmth of soybean paste, each ingredient tells a tale of tradition and innovation. Now let's talk about two dishes that have captured hearts worldwide: ramen and kimchi noodles. These aren't just meals, they're experiences, a delicious dance of flavors that tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. Whether it's the savory broth of ramen or the tangy crunch of kimchi noodles, there's a story in every bowl. Now that we've piqued your curiosity, how about we dive into the art of preparing these delectable dishes? Imagine a warm, comforting bowl of ramen, rich with flavors, textures, and aromas. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's dive into the world of Korean ramen, a dish that's as versatile as it is comforting. First, we start with the heart of the dish, the broth. A well-prepared broth is the cornerstone of Korean ramen. It's a medley of flavors, a little salty, a little spicy, and a whole lot delicious. The secret lies in simmering beef or chicken bones for hours, extracting every bit of flavor and richness. Next comes the noodles. Slightly chewy and delightfully slurpable, these noodles are the body of our ramen. It's important to cook them just right, not too soft, not too firm. Remember, the noodles will continue to cook in the hot broth, so undercooking them slightly ensures the perfect texture in every bite. And then, the toppings. Here's where you can let your creativity shine. Traditional Korean ramen is topped with slices of tender braised beef, a soft boiled egg, scallions, and of course a generous helping of kimchi. But feel free to experiment and make it your own. Maybe some mushrooms? Or a sprinkle of sesame seeds? Go ahead, make it uniquely yours. Finally, it's all about bringing these elements together. Pour the piping hot broth over the noodles, arrange your toppings, and there you have it. Voila! You've just mastered the art of creating a bowl of delicious, soulful Korean ramen. If you thought ramen was a treat, wait till you try your hand at kimchi noodles. Imagine the spicy, tangy kick of kimchi, a traditional Korean side dish made from salted and fermented vegetables, usually cabbage and radishes, combined with the mild, comforting embrace of noodles. It's a balance of flavors that dances on your tongue, a symphony of taste that leaves you wanting more. Let's delve into the art of making kimchi noodles. Start by cooking your noodles of choice till they are al dente. While the noodles are boiling, let's prepare the kimchi. Sauté some garlic and ginger in oil, then add your kimchi. Stir-fry it for a few minutes to let all those flavors meld together. Next, add some soy sauce, sesame oil, and a bit of sugar to balance out the tanginess of the kimchi. Stir everything together and let it simmer for a while. When your noodles are ready, drain them and add them to your kimchi mix. Toss everything together so that every strand of noodle is coated in that flavorful kimchi sauce. But it's not just about the taste. Kimchi is packed with health benefits. It's a probiotic, which means it's great for your gut health. It's also full of vitamins A, B, and C. And there you have it, a bowl of kimchi noodles packed with flavor and goodness. Isn't Korean cuisine just amazing? Now that you've cooked up a Korean feast, let's learn how to enjoy it like a true Korean. Dining in Korea is not just about filling the stomach, but also about respect and community. This is reflected in their use of metal chopsticks and spoons, a unique feature of Korean dining. Remember, it's not a race to finish your meal. Take your time and savor every bite. Elders are highly respected in Korean culture, so make sure to serve them first before you dig in. Communal eating is a norm here, so don't be surprised if you find everyone reaching into the same dish. And let's not forget banchan, the array of side dishes that accompany every Korean meal. Ranging from kimchi to seasoned vegetables, these small dishes are a big part of the dining experience, adding variety and balance to your main dish. With these etiquette tips, you're all set to enjoy your Korean meal in the most authentic way.